I can't believe you don't know where your brother is, Akram. Where is Usama?
I don't know, Dad. He must have gone to visit a friend or something like that.
You are his brother. He could have told you where he was going. I'm so worried.
I didn't ask him. I'm really sorry. I can't think of anywhere he could be.
Hmm, okay. But what did he tell you? He might have told you something, right?
He just told me he's going out, but he never told me where exactly. I'm sorry.
But you could have informed me about that. Why didn't you do that?
I never thought he was not going to come back home. I thought he would come in few minutes.
Alright, let's calm down. He hasn't come home to sleep. Where could he be?
I told you he must have gone out with some friends. I'm sure. He always does it.
Okay, but when he goes out, he usually comes back home the same day. That's why I'm worried. Why didn't he call? Or maybe he may have called, but my cell phone was off. That's right. Why doesn't we call him? He must have taken his cell phone with him.
That's not going to work. I have already called him, and his cell phone is in his bedroom.
Oh my God, my son, you should have asked him where he was going.
Dad, I told you I didn't think he wasn't going to come back.
Alright, then we need to call his friends, his best friend, Kabir. He must have talked Kabir before he left, right? Or maybe he's with Kabir right now.
I have already called Kabir, and he doesn't know where Osama is. He has no idea. Osama must have had any problem with his best friend because he always talked to him. Kabir said they haven't talked in a week because Osama is weird. I don't know why.
Then we need to think about other possibility. Does he have more friends?
Yeah, he has a lot of friends, but I have already called them and they don't know.
Okay, so now we are waiting for him. What we can do except this?
Okay, Dad.